Welcome to Word 360.
Episode number 12. Hello, everyone. Today, we're exploring the magical word spellbound. It's a word that can make your stories and conversations sparkle. Let's get started. So, what does spellbound mean? Spellbound is an adjective. An adjective is a word that describes something, like happy or tall. Spellbound means being so amazed or fascinated that you can't look away, like you're under a magic spell. Let's see spellbound in action with some lively examples. Example 1, little Mia was spellbound by the magician's tricks. She couldn't stop clapping. Example 2, hiker Sam stood spellbound as the sun set over the mountains, painting the sky orange and pink. Example 3, bookworm Lily was spellbound by the adventure story. She read all night. Example 4, techie Alex was spellbound by the new robot. It danced and talked like a friend. Want words like spellbound? Try enchanted, captivated, or mesmerized. Opposite words are bored, indifferent, or uninterested. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, and comment with words you want to learn. See you next time.